If you want your woman to value you more, then you must make her jealous. True or false? Let's find out. Make no mistake, jealousy is a powerful tool. In any relationship, one partner will always feel jealous of the other. There are no exceptions. The first possibility is this: you're jealous because she gets a lot of attention from other men. Meanwhile, the second possibility is this: your woman is jealous because you get lots of attention from other women. Which one sounds more like your relationship right now? Here's the hard fact of the matter. The partner who's more jealous is the weaker and more submissive of the two. Would you rather be the more dominant partner or the more submissive one? Obviously, you want to be the one on top. That's best for you, and it's also best for your woman. And making her jealous is one of the keys to getting you there and keeping you there. After all, if it's her who's making you jealous, then your relationship will feel like hell. And that's the hell this video will help you avoid. Now, making a woman jealous is a two-step process. The first step is to make her think you're seeing other women. Now here's the challenge. You don't directly try to make her jealous. You don't pretend to see other women just to rile her up. If you do, she'll see right through you. She'll realize you're trying to trick her, and she'll feel disgusted instead of jealous. Let's avoid making that mistake. So how exactly do you indirectly make her think you're seeing other women? If you're ready to find out, then take a quick moment to click the like button below. After you like this video, I'll show you the correct way to make her think you're seeing other women. When you do it this way, your woman will start seeing you as a stronger, more dominant, and more attractive man. And she'll start treating you better simply because she doesn't want to lose you. Sounds good? Then click like right now to learn how to make her jealous. Go ahead. Done? Awesome. So here's how to indirectly make a woman feel jealous. First, learn to do things without her permission. Go out without asking her and without telling her where you're going. When she asks where you went and what you did, be vague. Tell her, "Oh, just went out to do some odds and ends," or "Nowhere, just wanted to take a walk." This does two things. One, it sends her the message that you're the boss, not her. And two, it makes her think that you're hiding something from her. However, since you keep giving her plausible reasons for it disappearing, she can't be sure. The more she thinks about you and what you might be doing, the more jealous she gets. And that's a very, very good thing. Now, the second thing you need to do is to randomly say things that make her think you're seeing other women. For example, you can randomly say, "What do you like most about life?" "I like my freedom. I like the ability to do whatever I want, whenever I want." Or you can say, "I'm thinking about hiring a personal assistant. I'm swamped with work, and she could help me out a lot." Or you can tell her, "I just had a chat with my ex-girlfriend yesterday. It turns out she moved to the next town over just recently. Small world." This will kick her mind into overdrive. On one hand, she thinks your statements are harmless bits of information. On the other, she wonders if you're cheating on her, or seeing your ex, or planning to hire a young, beautiful secretary. Pretty sneaky, huh? And yet, it's the proven way to make a woman jealous without being insincere. Speaking of sincerity, that's pretty important, by the way. Women are experts at sniffing out fakery. If she finds out you're trying to make her jealous, she won't feel jealous. Instead, it's so lame she'll feel disgusted by you. And that's the exact opposite of what you want to happen, right? That's why you need the second step of the strategy too. The first step was to make her think you were seeing other women. The second step is to do it for real. You go out and meet women, even if it's only to make new friends. Now, why would you do that? Why would you do something so risky? Think of it this way. You're doing it for your woman and your relationship. Remember, only one of you will feel more jealous than the other, and that one will be the more submissive partner, and it should never be you. And yet, if you don't make your woman jealous, you will become the more submissive partner. That's just the way things work. You'll see it for yourself if you don't try. So that brings us to our next question. How do you meet other women to make your woman jealous? Here's the answer. By meeting women and using the friendship two-step technique. If you use this technique regularly, your woman will receive a healthy dose of jealousy, And soon enough, she'll start loving and respecting you more, as she's wired to do. And if you fail to take action, then you'll be in for a suffocating, frustrating relationship. It's that serious. Luckily for you, it's easy when you know how it's done, and I'm about to show you the ropes in just a moment. For now, do take a moment to click the subscribe button below. After you subscribe to this channel, I'll show you how the friendship two-step technique works. If you want to be the leader of your relationship, then what you're about to learn will change your life forever. Are you ready? Then click subscribe right now. I'll wait here till you do. Okay, are you done subscribing? Great, now let's continue. Let me tell you a bit about the friendship two-step technique. It was invented by Derek Rake, who's my friend, mentor, and coach. And in case you haven't heard of Derek before, he's a successful San Diego-based dating coach. He made his mark in the dating industry by teaching his students mind control. Derek advocates understanding of the female mind completely to achieve success with women. And one of his mind control techniques happens to be the friendship two-step. Here's how it works when making friends with a woman you've just met. The goal of the friendship two-step is to make a woman feel curious about you. That means you don't approach her and try to start a conversation right off the bat. The reason this pickup trick doesn't work is simple. It makes a woman feel suspicious, not curious. Instead, you use the friendship two-step. The first step is to get her attention and wait for her to respond. And the second step is to start the conversation. Do you see the tiny difference? With the friendship two-step, you wait for her to respond. And that tiny change makes for a huge impact because it makes her curious, not suspicious. For example, let's say you spot a woman at a coffee shop and you wonder if she'll make a good friend. What would happen if you approached her and asked, "Hi, is this seat taken?" Naturally, she'd probably lie and say, "Yes, I'm waiting for someone," even if she's alone. After all, she's not about to force herself to sit with a stranger. Now, what if you approached her and said, "Excuse me, I know I shouldn't be asking you this, but..." And she replies, "Yes?" And then you ask, "Is this seat taken?" What would happen then? Try it out. You'll realize she's much more likely to say, "Go ahead, have a seat." And it's all because you made her curious. That, my friend, is the power of the friendship two-step. With it, you can very quickly and easily make new female friends, and your girlfriend or wife will notice it. And since she can't say you're cheating, after all, they're just friends, she can't do anything except feel jealous. And that healthy dose of jealousy will lead to more respect for you, and that, in turn, leads to more love. Brilliant, huh? That, my friend, is how to make her jealous. It's something you absolutely must do when you're feeling more jealousy in your relationship than she is. Now, that's not all. There's more. After all, the friendship two-step makes women curious about you. That makes starting a conversation easier. Meanwhile, there's still the conversation itself. A woman will only want to be your friend if she feels good around you. So how do you do that? With another mind control technique, of course. It's called fractionation. And used correctly, this technique can make women feel extremely interested in you. And that's even if she only met you 2 minutes ago. Fractionation is a powerful technique that every guy should learn. Its usefulness can't be overstated. The thing is, it's a bit more complex than the friendship two-step. That's why I'll let Derek Rake himself explain it to you. In just a moment, a link will pop up in this video. That link will take you to Derek's online masterclass on mind control. In that masterclass, he'll teach you everything you need to know about fractionation. You'll learn what it is, why it works, how to use it, and so on. By the end of the masterclass, you'll be properly armed with a 1-2 punch. You'll have mastered the friendship two-step and fractionation techniques. And making your woman jealous and love you more becomes easy and fun. Sounds good? So click on the link right now and join Derek's online masterclass. I'm sure you'll agree it'll be the best masterclass you'll ever join in your life. Go ahead, see for yourself. Click the link now.